using order by clause. We can sort the results using order by clause. For example, this SQL will bring the result as it is from the table. Now let us sort it by first name. Select first name, last name, salary, commission percentage from employees. Order by first name. This will sort the results in the ascending order of the column first name. Ascending order is the default. This is equivalent to specifying the keyword ASC in the end. Okay. The keyword DESC will sort the results in descending order. And this is applicable to numerical values too. For example, I am going to do an order by using salary column. Okay, I am going to do a descending order by. Thank you for watching.